Welcome back to the Life on Screen tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to change the Wi-Fi that your ad player is currently connected to. First, go to the Life on Screen app and from the menu select My Screens. Once there, you will see a list of all the screens that you have registered with Life on Screen. Select the one you wish to change the Wi-Fi on. A pop-up menu will appear. Press Change Wi-Fi. A set of instructions will appear. Next, disconnect the ad player from the wall socket and plug it back in. The ad player will now start back up. When ads appear on the screen, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a hotspot name and password there. Now on your phone, go into the Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the hotspot that is displayed on the top left of your screen. Input the password. Now go back into the Life on Screen app. A code will appear in the Life on Screen app and on your screen. Make sure the two codes are the same. If they are the same, press Change Wi-Fi in the app. Once you do that, a list of Wi-Fis will be displayed. Select the new Wi-Fi that you want the ad player to be connected with and input its password. Then press Connect. A loading screen will appear on both your TV screen and your iPhone. And that's it. Just press Complete on your app and your screen will continue displaying the ads set for this day. Thank you for using Life on Screen.